Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Docs SEO checklist for publishing quality step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Docs. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Create a new document or open an existing one. Click on the Add-ons menu in the top menu bar. Select Get Add-ons from the drop-down list. In the search bar, type SEO checklist and press Enter. Browse through the available SEO tools. Choose an add-on that suits your needs. Click on the add-on, then click on the Install button. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the installation. Once installed, return to the Add-ons menu. Hover over the name of the SEO add-on you installed. Click on the option that says Open or Launch. A sidebar or pop-up window will appear with the SEO checklist. Review the checklist provided by the add-on. Make adjustments to your document according to the suggestions. Pay attention to keywords, headings, and metadata. Utilize the recommendations to enhance readability and relevance. Once you've made the necessary changes, save your document. You are now ready to publish your document with optimized SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.